This goes until 8:30 p.m. and it was indicated at 7:59 a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Burlington and 8 miles northwest of Towanda, moving at 20 miles per hour. This is going to be into the afternoon and also lingering into the evening hours. Main threats being damaging wind, hail, and heavy rain with some of those strong to severe storms. Thanks, Chelsea. Yeah, still dealing with some snow out here in Elmira, and that'll be the case, like Shelby was saying, throughout the morning. But looking at the winter storm severity index, that yellow color dealing with minor impacts, while that orange color for most of the southern tier, even portions of the northern tier, that's for a moderate impact. That's where we're seeing some of those higher snowfall totals. Flood watch still in effect until this afternoon and evening for those counties in green, and going to be continuing to watch runoff and also the potential for ice jam. Going to be cold outside but hot in the arena where all the action is going to be happening. Seeing that snow moving in as we head into the overnight hours of Thursday into Friday. Warm air moves northward, so seeing a transition. This pink color is a wintry mix, which includes sleet and freezing rain. And it's Friday, you know I need that cup of coffee to make it to the finish line for the week. As we head into that afternoon, some strong to severe storms possible. With any strong to severe storm, damaging wind is the main threat.
Like, do you like smelling like super manly, like woody, or?
Woody?
I don't know.
I like to smell like a forest. And for the weeks following the event, there was many newspapers being printed on the historic event. Good morning and happy Friday. I hope you're having a great morning so far. Taking a look at a snowy Elmira this morning. Temperatures currently in the teens, also dealing with that snow and slushy conditions on the roadways, dealing with travel impacts this morning. And we have some winter weather alerts in place as well. Winter storm warning in effect for all the counties in pink right now. For Tioga, PA, going until 10 a.m. while the rest are going until 3 p.m. this afternoon as we continue to deal with this winter storm. You can see it here on satellite and radar, and the cold front dividing the warm and cold air here, and that boundary is set up right across our region. Seeing that mix across the northern tier with some snow starting to gradually move in for all of the twin tiers, and that's going to continue to be the case as we head throughout the morning. Dealing with snow across the southern tier, and Schuyler and Steuben County were mainly dealing with a snow event, while we did have more of a wintry mix for Chemung County and the northern tier yesterday and into last night. Now, continuing to time this out for you, dealing with that gradual changeover to snow, still holding on to some wintry mix across Bradford County, but then we start to see just some more snow showers as we head into this afternoon as this winter storm starts to pull away from our area. And then we just start to deal with some cloudy conditions, some lake effect possible as we head into the evening, overnight hours, and tomorrow morning. That's in favor of the lake effect winds that we're going to be dealing with. That northerly wind component, seeing that potential for some lake effect off of the Finger Lakes as we head into the overnight hours and tomorrow morning. Then we start to see some decreasing cloud cover, area of high pressure building into the region. So we start to see some sunshine during the afternoon, and then we start to see some mostly clear conditions overnight. Getting very cold Saturday night, back into the negatives here across the twin tiers. But looking at snow still to come throughout the morning hours, generally dealing with about a trace across the northern tier, parts of the northern tier where they're dealing with that mix for longer, to about 2 inches across portions of northern Steuben County and Schuyler County. And then we're going to see some more accumulation as we head into this evening as we deal with more of those snow showers, with generally reaching upwards of 1 to 3 inches here across the twin tiers when all is said and done. Now, we did have also some sleet as well, and that's going to cause some icy conditions below that snowfall that we see. So it's going to be this heavy, wet snow, so be careful when you are shoveling as well. And with the snow, we're dealing with reduced visibility as well here across the twin tiers. So something to be mindful of. We're seeing reduced visibility, snow accumulating right now across most of the twin tiers. Northern tier dealing with that sleet and freezing rain. So we're talking about icy conditions and snow and slushy roadways. So dealing with those travel impacts, make sure you're being careful out there this morning for your morning commute. Temperatures right now dealing with the teens and near 20. And we're going to see those temperatures not really change that much because we're dealing with that cold air with that cold front. and also cloudy conditions. So dealing with that wintry mix and snow right now, changing over to all snow as we head into the late morning and into the afternoon. Now this is going to continue to cause impacts to travel as that snow accumulates throughout the day. And then overnight, dealing with temperatures in the single digits, still holding on to that cloud cover, and also winds in favor of some lake effect snow showers overnight as well. Those are being possible as we head into tomorrow morning. Now just looking at your 7-day forecast, starting to see some quieter weather as we head into Saturday, drying out, decreasing cloud cover, some sunshine as well. Sunday, mix of sun and clouds, stubborn cloud cover heading into next week, and then we start to see that next chance for some snow showers on Thursday. But looking at the next 7 days, even heading into next week, getting back into the 30s after we're dealing with some negative temperatures.